Okay, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, give me a second. Okay, now okay, right? You can hear me. Yeah, yeah. Now O-level result already released. No? I know some of your result, but I don't know all of your results. Uh, First of all, can you send your result into chat? All of once. I just only need how many A's, B's, and C. What is the result for science and maths? Especially, I need science and maths. Number of A, B, C, S. And what is the science, maths? A3, B3, C3, C. Maths B, science C. Okay, good. Yeah. Yehan or Yehen. Jenny Ru. Why delete? Send again. 3A, 2B, 2C, 2S. 1A, 4C, 4S. Good. Rashmita, A, 2A, C4, SC. Science S, maths S. Good. Okay, maths C, science C. Science S. Science is maths C. Science is maths C. Shiva. 3A, 4B, 2C. Maths C, science S. General. Amishka. A1, B6, C2. Maths and science B. Good. Kalidu. A1, B1, C4, S3. Maths and science C. Good. Had. Others I know your result. Had. Now, for technology stream, if you're doing technology stream, however, what is the minimum result for participate to the A level? Do you know what's the minimum result? Maths A and C. Very good stuff. The minimum result for participate to sit for A level, the qualification is six pass. That means you have 9 subjects. You have 9 subjects. Among 9 subjects, the minimum result, I think 6 pass. 6 pass mean actually the minimum is 3S and 3 C pass. That's a minimum result for A level. That's a minimum for A level. But if you do in technology stream, you should have science and maths, especially science and maths. You should have 2 S passes. That's a minimum qualification. Minimum qualification. 6 pass subjects and minimum 3 C passes. Science and maths minimum S. Right? This is a qualification for doing A level in technology stream. I think you all have basic qualification, therefore no any problem. The other thing, your O level result does not affect for anything in the A level. The A level is completely different exam. It is not like O level, right? This O level result, A level result completely depend on your dedication and your continuity of this within these 2 years. Not like O level. In normally in O level exam, if you work final 3 months perfectly, you can get 9 A's, I think. If you manage and complete all things continuously final 3 months, hope you all can get 9 A's, right? Very simple subjects. But not A level, not like that. You should have 2 years. 2 years mean approximately 27 months. More than 2 years. 27 months. Continuity is very important. Right? Continuity. 27 months. The continue learning is very important. If not, it is very difficult to score in A level. Not like O level result. In A level, you already know you have Z value as well as district rank and island rank as well. Like the Z value, district rank and island rank. This district rank and island rank totally depend on the Z value, right? Not like O level. The other advantage for A level, you can select more preferred area for learning, right? If you don't like to history or whatever subject, you don't have options. You have 6 compulsory subjects in O level, right? You have 3 options to select. But in A level, not like that. You have, so are we revising lessons again after the lessons? Yeah, wait, I will explain. You're asking A levels, right, Rashmita? Okay, I'll explain. Hi. Okay, what I told you, not like O level. In O level, you have 6 compulsory subjects, but in A level, not like that. You have 5 streams. You have 5 streams. You have maths, physical science, and biology, bioscience, biology. The second place, technology stream, you have 2 options: biosystems technology and engineering technology and biosystems technology. And after that, you have commerce. And in art subjects, you have a lot of languages. However, for A level, you have to select the more preferred area. If not, it is not easy. I think you all select one of these area. If you select technology stream, the compulsory subject is science for technology, and your second subject is BST or ET, and third subject ICT or the selected subject, right? Geography or agriculture, whatever third subject. Most of doing ICT, right? Okay. However, now you select most preferred area to learn, not like A level, not like O level, right? Therefore, you have a lot of options, lot of chances to completely work very efficiently and without any boring in A level, right? Not like O level. Therefore, I just want to tell you the O level result. Some students got S passes for science and math. Some students got A passes, B passes, C passes. However, all same in A-level class now. In our subject and our stream, all of you in the same level, because in our subject and stream, everything we doing from basic level. Now we doing basic mathematics today, right? Very basic level, every calculation, everything again I explaining, right? Therefore, no need to worry. Sometimes if you afraid about chemistry ගැන බයයි නම් don't afraid. Same as now mathematics, now we doing very basic level, starting from very basic level, right? Samely chemistry also we starting very basic level and go to the advanced part. Therefore, O-level result does not affect to work for A-level or for your result of A-level. Do you know there are so many cases. Normally is minimum result got O-level, but they have got 3 A's in A-level, right? It is not affected. It is not affected. If you got S passes, don't worry. If you have qualification, now you can start. Today is the best day. You can start your journey, because you know O-level result, it is not, it is important, but it is not very important for your life. Actually, it's not changing your life. Now you all know, if you got 9 A's, if you got normal result, if you got very low result, all are doing A levels. If you pass O level, that's enough, right? Now you all doing A level, but according to the A level result, according to a district result, district rank, according to island rank, Z value, your life, entire life after this, after 2028 December, after 2029, right? 2029 August. Now, normally your exam will be held 2028 August, definitely. 2028 August. Then result releasing end of December, final week of December. Result will be released end of December, right? Methanium pass after starting from 29th January, your entire life depend on this A-level result. Actually, if you got very good rank, very good island rank, you can go to the highest demanding university in foreign country. Or now, you know, if you got top rank, you have opportunity to may request for scholarships, apply for scholarships for foreign universities, America, China, Japan, foreign universities, right? You have opportunities. If not, you have select for top university, the higher rank university in Sri Lanka, right? Lot of opportunities. That's why I told your entire life after 2028 December, your entire life depend on this A-level result. Actually, life-changing exam, not like O-level. If you got 9 A's, now you're doing A-level, it is not change anything, right? O-level result not change anything. Therefore, don't worry if you got very good result for O-level, it's good. If you got low result, no problem. You have another chance. You have another chance. I just want to tell you, your O-level result not affect for A-level result. But you have to understand, you have very large competition in this A-level, not like more than O-level. The competition is great in A-level, right? Therefore, you have to maintain continuity and complete your works daily and weekly. All works you have to continually complete and keep your dedication, right? Okay. Okay, that's I want to explain you today. The O-level result not affect the minimum result. If you have, no worries, don't worry, you have another opportunity to change your life, right? You have another chance. Okay, let's move into lesson. Okay, what we discussed last day, we discussed volume.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we discussed volume, right? Okay, today we I gave a homework. No, Seta, I gave a homework, right? Ashini, Vinuji, are you there? Are you absent? Who is absent today? Asel absent, Yansiru, Vinuji. A lot of absent today. Why? I think they're celebrating. Isn't it? Okay, the volume tutorial. Volume tutorial. Okay, let's start. I complete homework, Safa? Nitira? Complete? Safa? I hope you all completed, right? Okay, let's start. The outer length, width, and height of a water tank is 1 meter and made of 10 centimeter thick concrete walls as given in the figure. Yeah, it's a water tank. It's a water tank. It's a water tank. Length, width, and height of the water tank is 1 meter. Then it is cube shaped water tank, right? Cube shaped water tank. Cube shaped water tank. 1 meter, then width 1 meter, and height also 1 meter, right? That's a cube shaped water tank. Externally cube shape. Externally cube shape, but it is 10 centimeter thick concrete walls. 10 centimeter thick concrete walls. Find the volume of water that can be filled in this tank. The volume of water that can fill in this tank. Okay, how to calculate? Okay, the tank consists of 10 centimeter thick walls, concrete walls. Then what is the internal length? What is the length of these? What is this length internally? Internal wall length. Senura, what's the internal wall length? External it is 1 meter. What is the internal length? Very good. It is 80 centimeter because this part 10 centimeter, this part 10 centimeter, 1 meter mean 100 centimeter, 100 meter, 100 centimeters, 100 minus 20, it is 80 centimeter. 80 mean 0.8 meters, right? 80 centimeter means 0.8 meters. 0.8 meters, right? Now what is this length? The width of the tank. Internally width. Internal width. This one. Internal width. Yeah, very good. That one also 80 centimeter because 10 centimeter thickness, 10 centimeter thickness. The total length 100 centimeters. 100 minus 20, it is 80. 80 means 0.8 meters. Right? 0.8 meters. 0.8 meters. 0.8 meters. Right? Clear? No doubt, right? Then what is the internal height? Rashmita, what's the internal height? No, Nitira. Internal height. Very good, Amish. No, Shivan. Hashini, you one, I can't see your message. Yeah, it is 90 because there is 10 centimeter thick wall at the bottom. 10 centimeter thickness at the bottom. This is an open tank, no lid mentioned. Therefore, it is this length 90 centimeter. 90 means 0.9 meter. No, 0.9 meter. 0.9 meter. 0.9 meter. Yes, 0.9 meter. 0.9 meter. Now you can get the internal volume. The internal volume is the volume of water. Internal volume is the volume of water, or the capacity of tank. Right. Now externally it is cube shape. Then but internally, how about the shape internal? Internally it is cuboid, no? It's a cuboid. Cuboid. How to get the volume of cuboid? Length into width into height. Very good. Length into width into height. Okay, this is the first part answer. Length into width into height. The volume equal internal volume. Internal volume equal length 0.8 meters into width 0.8 meters into height 0.9 meters. Now 0.8 into 8 into 9. What is the answer? It's a 0 point value. 0.576 cubic meter. 0.576 cubic meters. 0.576 cubic meters. 576 cubic meters. Very good. 0.576 cubic meters. Okay, it is the volume of water in cubic meters. Then how many liters can we fill in this tank? Do you know? The question asks water volume. Yeah, it is correct in cubic meters. Now, how many liters? Do you know? Do you have any idea? Kalidu, how many liters can we fill in this tank? Very good, Ashmit. Very good. We can fill normally, remember 1 cubic meter. 1 cubic meter mean, how about the size? 1 cubic meter mean 1 meter length, 1 meter width and 1 meter height tank. 1 meter length, 1 meter width, 1 meter height tank. Normal volume is any liquid 1000 liters. 1000 liters. 1 cubic meter, remember, it is 1000 liters. Then 0.576 multiplied by 1000, it is 576 liters. You can note down. It is not asking, but you can note down. How to convert into liter? 576 liters. Remember, 1 cubic meter equal 1000 liters. 1 cubic meter equal 1000 liter. 1 cubic meter equal 1000 liter. Second one, what is the volume of concrete used to build this tank? What's the volume of concrete? What's the concrete volume? Okay, first you can get the externally the complete volume of this tank. 1 into 1 into 1. Then what is the external volume? External volume, the total volume of the tank, it is concrete and water volume. Concrete and water volume 1 cubic meter, right? 1 cubic meter is this answer. 1 cubic meter is the concrete and water, both volume. Then subtract water volume. The remaining is the concrete volume, right? Subtract 0.576. 0.576. Send the answer. 0.576. 0.424. Very good. 0.424. 0.424 cubic meters concrete. 0.424 cubic meters of concrete. If you got in centimeter, no problem, but the standard unit of volume is cubic meter. I already explained last week, right? The standard unit of volume, cubic meter. If you want, you can get calculate by square cubic centimeter like this. I think you can convert, right? If you got in centimeters, the water volume equal 80 into 19. Then your answer should be cubic centimeter, right? But you know, volume standard unit is cubic meter. Then you have to convert that 576,000 into cubic meter. How to convert cubic centimeter into cubic meter? Cubic centimeter into cubic meter. Centimeter meter divide by 576,000. How to convert centimeter into meter? Divide by 100. Now it is cubic. Cubic centimeter, cubic meter. Now you have to divide by 3 times of 100. Then the answer is 0.576 cubic meter. Right? Clear? Akhil? Clear, right? Can you send answers into our comment chat? Comment chat, it is very easy. Otherwise, difficult to find your message. It is open, right? Make comment chat open kala neda man tiyen. Shiva, the comment chat is open now. Okay, let's move into second question. Okay, the internal dimensions of bottom of a cubical water tank. Internal dimensions, right? Internal dimensions of the bottom of a cubical water tank are 140 centimeter and 110 centimeter. The internal height of the tank is 90 centimeter. The capacity of this tank, very simple. Now you can centimeters and convert. It's better. I think I want to show you that 90 centimeters. Then you can get the volume or capacity of the tank in cubic centimeters. Cubic centimeters. Okay, what's the value? Others, is it correct? Ashwini, is one correct? Our newbie students in science for technology and engineering technology and biosystems technology, you can use calculators in the exam. Scientific calculators. Scientific calculators. You can use scientific calculators. Okay, therefore now you can use your own calculator, but before exam you have to get a scientific calculator and practice that. Like practice ennat thone, otherwise you can't manage during the exam. Is it correct, guys? Others? Yeah. Cubic centimeter. Okay, it is cubic centimeter, but the standard unit is cubic meter. Then how to convert? How to convert into cubic meters? How to convert into cubic meters? Yeah, very good. You have to divide by 10 to the power minus 6. 10 to the power minus 6. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 1.386. 1.386 cubic meter. Cubic meter. The cubic meter is the standard unit of volume. 1.386 means how many liters? How many liters? 1.386. How many liters? Very good. 1386 liters. Now it is not compulsory. If you got cubic meter, that enough. But if you want, you can note down 1386 liters. So is it wrong if just not wrong, but the standard one is medium weight. Shivan, but not wrong. But the standard unit is cubic meter. Normally, therefore, we have to convert into cubic meters. That's a way. What's your question, Meedu? How did you get 1 point? Yeah, that's the way. Now, this is the answer in cubic centimeters, right? I convert into cubic meters. Normally, centimeter convert into meter. Yeah, this is the way. Centimeter convert into meter, divide by 100. Centimeter convert into meter. Because 1 meter, 100 centimeters. Then divide by 100, centimeter value convert into meter. Right, as example 20 centimeter mean divide by 100, it is 0.2 meters, right? But it is cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter, if you want to convert into cubic meter, you have to divide by 100 3 times because cubic. If it is square, you have to divide by 2 times. In the first day of basic mathematics, I explained. Meedu, go through this video. Others, any doubt? Meedu, clear? Okay. Now this question also same thing I did. Divide by 100 three times. Three times. Divide by 100 three times mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power minus 6. Multiply by 10 to the power minus 6. Then 1, 0 to 0, 0 to 0, 0 to 0. 1,386 divided by 1000, it is 1.386 cubic meters. That means 1,386 liters. 1,386 liters. Hurry. Let's move into next one. When this tank is completely filled with water, when this tank is completely filled with water, how many cylindrical barrels? How many? I'm going to erase this part. How many cylindrical barrels with the bottom radius 28 centimeter and a height of 90 centimeter can be filled with water? How many cylindrical barrels can we fill this water volume? Right? It is 1 point. I note here 1.386 cubic meter. When this tank is completely filled with water, how many cylindrical barrels with bottom radius 28 centimeter and height 90 centimeter can be filled with water? Okay. First, you can find the volume of one cylindrical tank. One cylindrical tank. Okay, how to get the cylinder volume? Cylinder volume. Cylinder is a uniform cross-section object. Cylinder is a uniform cross-section object. I told any uniform cross-section object, how to get the volume? The uniform cross-section area multiplied by uniform height. Uniform cross-section area multiplied by uniform height. Now, the cylinder is a uniform cross-section object. Why? It has a uniform cross-section, right? Last week lesson. Uniform cross-section. This is a cross-section. It is uniform, right? Uniform cross-section. Therefore, how to get the volume of any uniform cross-section object? Get the area of uniform cross section. Now it is circle into uniform height. Uniform length is height. Then what is the equation of the volume of cylinder? Circle area phi r squared into h. Phi r squared into h. Any uniform cross section object, this is the cylinder equation. Cylinder volume. Not only cylinder, any uniform cross section object, this is a volume calculation method, right? Okay, then how to get the cylinder volume? Phi r squared h. Phi r squared h. Now, phi mean 22 over 7. R square, that mean 28 into 28. Squared mean 2 times, right? Multiply by 2 times. Height 90. It is centimeter, right? I got in centimeters. Then it is 4. Now 4 into 22, 88. 88 into 28 into 90. What's the answer? Quickly. 221,760. Others, you have to check by calculators. I got Kalindu, is it correct? Okay. Now the question is, how many barrels can we fill? Okay, how to get number of barrels? Number of barrels. Number of barrels. Number of barrels. The total volume cubic centimeters divide by the one cylinder volume cubic centimeter. Now cubic centimeter to cubic centimeter cancel out. Cubic centimeter to cubic centimeter cancel out. Yeah. Now answer 6.25 barrels was 6.25 barrels. You can divide. You can use calculators. Don't try to divide manually, because in technologies now, our what's the target of doing technology stream? To make technologists. For technology students, technologists don't need this calculation ability. Then adding, multiplication, subtraction, we have technology, we can use technology, right? We don't need this ability. Give me a second. Sorry. Okay, I told you, normally technology based students no need this calculation ability, adding, multiplication, subtraction, no need. Therefore you can use calculators. That's why I told you, everyone in our stream, if you have a target, if you have a target and requirement, definitely you can get super rank and super result, very good result, if you continuously attend and continuously work for your target. Definitely you can, because we can use calculators. No any basic requirement, no any basic things required, basic knowledge required, everything we doing during classes, right? And the other advantage in engineering technology and BST, your technology subject, uh, only you have 70 marks for written exam. 70 marks for written exam, 30 marks for practical. It is an advantage. Why? Normally we exams තිබ්බම් බලන්න, the written exam is difficult, right? Written exam, if it is practicals, if you're doing this practical well, you can score full marks. 30ම ගන්න පුළුවන් practicals ටික හරියට කරොත්. හරි. Practicals තියෙන මෙහෙමයි, you have a practical guide. In engineering technology and biosystems technology, you have practical guide. I can remember a number of practicals for BST and ET practicals. We have 50 practicals. I can't remember exact number, right? You can ask your ETOBS teachers. If it is 50 practicals, 50 නෑ මම හිතන්නේ ඊට වඩා අඩු ඇති. අපි හිතමු 50 කියලා. The exam definitely asking 3 of them practical. මේ 50න් 3ක් තමයි. Then if you confident, if you complete and if you have experience of these all practicals, definitely you can complete, you can score more than 20 marks. Definitely you can score, right? More than 20. Okay, it is, you have a lot of advantage. Therefore you don't need any basic knowledge, but the continuity and continuous working to your target, very important. Okay, now the answer is 6.25 barrels. 6.25 barrels, that means 6 complete barrels and 7th barrel quarter. Kalak, right? 1/4. Full 6 barrels and 1/4 barrels, right? That enough. 6.25 barrels also okay. 6.25 barrels. 6.25 barrels. Right. Okay. The second question is done. Any doubt up to now? Do you have any doubt up to now? Akhil? Jenuru? Okay. Let's go into question number 3. During the construction of tunnel, soil was removed from a straight cylindrical area with radius 2.5 meter and length 20 meter. The length 20 meter. The length of the cylindrical canal, it's 20 meters. 28 meters, sorry, 28 meters. What is the volume of soil removed? Okay, it is very simple. The volume of cylinder I already explained. Volume of cylinder 5r squared. 5r squared means this uniform cross section area multiplied by length. Now it is h, right? 5r squared h. 5r squared h. Okay, how to get 5 mean 22/7 radius squared. Radius squared. Good, Nithira. Radius squared. Now it is 2.5 into 2.5, height 28. Now 7 and 28 cancel out, it is 4. Now 22 into 4, 88. 88 into 2.5 into 2.5. What's the answer? Senua. Yeah, very good. 550. I'm going to write here. 550 cubic meter, no? Cubic meter, because I substitute length and radius meters, therefore answer in cubic meters. Cubic meters. 550 cubic meters. 550 cubic meters. 550 cubic meters. 550 cubic meters. Okay, the next one is very important. If the removed soil is if the removed soil is piled up to form a right pyramid with square base. Square means it is piled up as square base pyramid with vertical height 6 meter. Find the length of one side of base of the pyramid. Right? This is the Now how about the volume? 550 cubic meters. The volume is 500. Question number 3. Question number 3. The volume of cylinder, that means volume of soil volume 550 cubic meters. 550 cubic meter is the soil volume in the canal remote soil volume, right? In the second part, it is asking this volume is piled up as right pyramid, square base right pyramid, square base pyramid like this, square base pyramid. The question asks the perpendicular height, that means vertical height is 6 meters. It is 6 meters. And the question asks what is this A? The base, one side of base. One side of base. Safa? What's the answer? I got. How did who is correct that? Correct me. Who got that answer? Yeah, send answers. Then we can check. If you got this, send your answer. $275 meter or centimeter, Nitira. Others? Hashini, what is your answer? Safa? I want A length, A length, A length. Nitira, I think you are one wrong. Ashmit, 16.5. Okay, let's see others. Midu, what's your answer? Safa? Very good. I think Nitira 16 point value is correct because lot of sending same answer. Nitira, sorry, Nitira, not base area is asking. The question asks one side length of the base. I think that's your problem. That's your mistake. Hi. Okay, how to calculate? Now, first of all, you have to understand what is the volume equation of, what's the volume equation of right pyramid, square base right pyramid. I told 1 over 3, last week lesson, 1 over 3 base area into a, that means A squared into perpendicular height is the equation of the pyramid volume, right? The volume of the pyramid 550 now equal 1 over 3 A squared means base area into height mean perpendicular height 6. Now 6 to 3 it is 2. Now 550 divided by 2 it is 275. 275. 275 equal A squared. Yes, the base area is 275 square meters, but the question asks one side length. One side length means A. Then A equal 275 square root. 275 square root. The value is 16.58 meters. Better to get answers into second decimal point, guys. Try to get always second decimal point, then we can get full marks without marks loss. Always. We have to practice that, okay? Sometimes exam giving provide answers into first decimal point. Okay, we can discuss. Now after this tutorial, we can go to exam essay question discussion. Exam MCQ question we already discussed, area part, right? Volume part also we have to discuss, and Especially I am going to explain essay questions, how to answer for essay questions, because what is today, 21st, no? Today 21st of June. 28th of June is the final day of area volume, basic mathematics final day. New students, please go through, please ask me previous part of area volume. Now we did 4 days. I think this is the 5th day. Okay, we discussed basic mathematics, basic things, and start area, and this is a volume in the 3rd part of the lesson. Next week is a final day of basic mathematics. After that you have simple exam, right? You have simple exam. It's only this time you have only 15 MCQ questions and 1 essay questions. 1 essay question. Before that, before exam, I will completely explain all past paper essay questions and all volume MCQ questions. Everything I will explain. After that, you have simple exam. You have ready for exam as well. Okay, the one side length 16.58 meters. Nithiran, the question asks one side, the length of one side of the base. Yeah, that's important. You have to carefully read questions before answer. Otherwise, you're doing mistake, right? Hari. 3rd question done. The 4th question is most important one. The figure show a cross section of a swimming pool whose length 20 meter. Yeah, this end 20 meter, 20 meter, and it is 50 meters. 50 meters. Okay, can you see? Can you understand this as a swimming pool? Okay, it is actually the shape of swimming pool. See, normally swimming pool, think this is a length side, right? But okay, as technician, as technology students, I'll explain now how to get the volume of any swimming pool now, right? How many water amount required for any swimming pool? If you want to design a swimming pool for whatever hotel or whatever your industry, okay, I will explain how to find the amount of volume of water required to fill this swimming pool. Normally the swimming pool has 2 ends, deep and shallow, right? Think this is a deep end, this is a deep, and this is a shallow. Right? And this is a slope. This is a slope. This is a length, okay? This is a cross section of the length side. And this is a water level. This is a water level of surface, right? Surface. And the same cross section to this end. Same cross section, right? Same cross section. Understood? Now this question given, the deep side is, depth is deep, okay, it is 5 meters. 5 meters. The shallow end is here 3 meters. 3 meters. The length of this length, the length between deep and shallow sides, deep and shallow ends, it is 50 meters. 50 meters. 50 meters. The length between deep and shallow. And this length, 20 meters. 20 meters. Right. This is a swimming pool. This is a swimming pool. Okay, now, how about the shape of the cross section? Jeniru, how about the shape of the cross section of this swimming pool? The shape of the cross section. How about the shape of the cross section? This cross section, this surface. Very good. It is a trapezium. I already explained. How to identify trapezium? If it is trapezium, should have two parallel sides, and the remain are not parallel. Opposite, only one pair of lines are opposite lines are parallel. That's a requirement. Right. Now it is parallel. That the deep end, it's a vertical. This one also vertical. 5 and 3 is parallel, but others, these two sides not parallel. Therefore, it's a trapezium. Definitely trapezium. Trapezium. This is a normal trapezium, right? Normal regular shape of trapezium. Two sides are parallel. That's a requirement. Eka mehemunat. That one also trapezium, right? That one also trapezium. No problem. No problem. Any doubt? Can anyone? Can't anyone understand it is a trapezium? It's a trapezium, right? Any doubt? Mantahan? Any doubt? The shape is trapezium. Any doubt? Medu? Akil? No doubts, right? Send me any response. Otherwise, I don't know. You understood or not? Rashmita? Okay, okay. Okay, the next one, not next one, the next page, it is given, is this swimming pool is filled with 50 centimeter below the upper surface. The volume of water contained in the swimming pool. This is a water level. 50 centimeter empty surface. 50 centimeter empty. Okay, then this is a water level. This is a water level, right? This is a water level. This is a water level. It is 50 centimeter gap. 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. Then what is Shivan? What is this? What is this height? Yeah, very good. It is 4.5 meters now. 4.5 meters because 50 centimeter empty surface. Empty, no water. It is 2.5 meters. 2.5 meters. 2.5 meters. 3 minus 0.5 because 50 centimeter means 0.5 meters. Then now it is uniform cross section object or not? What do you think? Yeah, yes, it is a uniform cross section object. It's a uniform cross section object. Now you can get the volume. Uniform cross section area multiplied by uniform length. Multiplied by uniform length. The uniform cross section area mean it's a trapezium. Trapezium is a uniform cross section. The trapezium is a uniform cross section. 4.5. How to get trapezium area? Trapezium area A plus B over 2 multiplied by H into L now, right? The trapezium volume A plus B. A plus B mean two parallel sides. The sum of two parallel sides. 4.5 plus 2.5. 4.5 plus 2.5. Now water height I got, right? The swimming pool height is 5 and 3. But I got water height to calculate the water volume, right? The question asks water volume. The swimming pool like right? 4.5 plus 2.5 divided by 2. I add two parallel side, right? Two parallel side into perpendicular height. Perpendicular height mean the perpendicular distance between two parallel sides. It is 50 meters. 50 meters. And uniform length, the uniform length is 20 meters. The uniform length is 20 meters. 20 meters. 4.5 in 4.5 plus 2.5 is 7. 7 divided by, yeah, 7, right? 4 plus 2, 6, yeah, 7. 7 divided by 2, 3.5. 3.5 divided by 20. 3.5 divided by 20, it is 770. 3.5 divided by 20 is 70. 70 into 50. Use calculator. Then what's the answer? 35. No? Correct? Yeah, 3,500 cubic meters. Imagine how many liters required? Kochra liters on it, Bala? 3,500 cubic meters mean how many liters required to fill this swimming pool? Tagan me. Can you imagine? Kochra in liters? Mitira. Can you imagine? No need to imagine, you can calculate. I think it is 35 lakhs. Yes, 35, two zeros into three zeros, because 1 cubic meter equal 1000. Yeah, that means 35 lakhs. Laksha 35 code. 3.5 million of liters. Yes, 3.5 million of liters required to fill this type swimming pool. Can you imagine? How about the cost? Right? Okay. Okay, this is actual method to calculate the volume, water volume of normally no empty space, no? Completely filling. අපි swimming pool එකේ space එකක් තියන්නේ නැහැ නේද? Yeah, නෑ? Yeah. Yeah, like a lake, yes. Yeah, normally for this type swimming pool, the actual requirement is 33.5 million liters. 3.5 million liters. Then how to get the volume of any swimming pool? You can get the depth of the deep end, the depth of the shallow end, and the gap between length, deep end and shallow end, and width, right? Then you can get the volume and calculate the amount of water liters required. Amount of water liter required. Hi. Any doubt? Amishka? Safa? Akhil? Understood, right? Okay. This question number 5, there is a problem in this figure. There is a problem in the figure. The figure shows a model prepared for the construction of pavilion. There are two sector segments on their sides, either sides of segment OABC, and calculate the volume of this pavilion. Actually, it is this is the shape of this figure, the pavilion. The figure is wrong here. Figure shape is wrong. Okay, this is it's a sector, right? It's a sector part. It's a sector part. The opposite end also sector, right? It is a uniform cross section pavilion. Uniform cross section pavilion. Uniform cross section pavilion. Like this. This is the shape. Okay, now okay. This is the shape. The opposite end also may sector part. Now it is uniform cross section object, right? With the cross section is a sector. The cross section is a sector. The cross section is a sector. The cross section sector part dimensions given 60 degrees and 2 meter. 60 degrees and 2 meter radius 2 meters, and 8 meter length. 8 meter length. 8 meter length. Hurry. Now, how to get the volume of this type uniform cross section object? Do we need any equation? No. It's a uniform cross section object. The sector is a uniform. Sector is the cross section. Sector is the cross section. Then you can get the volume, area of cross section multiplied by length. Very simple. The volume equal the volume of pavilion. The volume of pavilion, the cross section area multiplied by length, uniform length. The uniform cross section is a sector. How to get the area of sector? That's the problem now. How to get the area of sector? What's the equation? How to get the area of sector? Very good. Now this angle given in degrees. Angle given in degrees. Theta over 360 pi r square. This is the area of sector multiplied by length. Theta means 60 now. 60 degrees divided by 360. Pi r squared means 22 over 7. R squared means 2 into 2. Into, this is a cross section area, uniform cross section area into uniform length 8 meters. 8 meters. Now 0 to 0 cancel. 6 to 36, it is 6, cancel out. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 22, 88. 88 into 8. 88 into 8. Get the value? 88 into 8 divide by 42, because 6 into 7, 42, right? 42 term. What's the answer? Yeah, 16.76 cubic meters, cubic meters, no problem. Cubic meters. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay. Do you have any doubt up to now? Yes. Anyone? Put your name, otherwise I can't identify. Okay. Let's go into last two questions and uh, go to past paper questions. Next one, very simple. The figure show a glass jaw with a hemispherical face and a cylindrical body. The radius of hemisphere is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. The height of cylinder is 12 centimeter. Calculate the volume. Calculate the volume of jaw, glass jaw. Okay, first of all, you can calculate the volume of cylinder. Cylinder volume equal, what is the equation? 5r squared h. 5r squared h, very simple. 22 over 7. 22 over 7. R squared means 7 into 7. H 12. 12, 7 to 7 cancel. 22 into 7 into 12. What's the value? 22 into 7 into 12. Send the answer. Then I need to get the volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere volume. The problem is how to get the hemisphere volume. How to get the hemisphere volume? What's the equation? Yeah, the complete sphere 4 over 3. If it is sphere 4 over 3 pi r cube. If it is hemisphere, it is multiplied by 2, multiplied by half, sorry. Then 2 to 2 cancel, 42 cancel out. It is 2 over 3 pi r cube. 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 2 over 3, 5 mean 22 over 7. R cube. R cube means 7 into 7 into 7, right? 7 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7 into 7. Right? 7 to 7 cancel. 7 into 7, 49. 49 into 44 divide by 3. 49 into 4, 49 into 44 divide by 3. What's the answer? 49 into 44 divide by 3. Now, Shivan, is it final answer, Shivan? It is 718, 718.6. 718.6 cubic centimeter. Now, the total value, the total volume, you can add this to at current here. The total volume equal, what's the total? Total equal 1848 plus 718.6. 2566.6. 2566.6 cubic centimeter. Others, Hashini, correct? Safa, correct, right? Safa, Akhil, correct? Okay, let's go into final question, right? Let's go into final question. Our new students, now it is doing area volume tute, right? My tutorial scene is tute again. If you are new students, please send me a message. I will give you soft copy until you receive the printed tute. A container with radius 21 centimeter and height of 30 centimeter is shaped like a right circular cylinder. The lid is shaped like a right cone with radius 21 centimeter and height 3 centimeter. Find the volume of this container. Find the volume of this container. The volume of the container is asking. The volume of this container. It is same. First you can get the cylinder volume. Cylinder volume, it's easy. 5r squared h. 5 mean 22 over 7. R squared mean 21 into 21 h 30. 30 up to this level, right? The 3 centimeter is the height of cone. It is 3, cancel to 3. 22 into 3, 66. 66 into 21 into 30. 66 into 21 into 30. Yeah, 41,580. Good. Cubic centimeter. Now the volume of cone. The volume of cone. Cone volume. cone volume. Okay, how to get the volume of cone? What is the equation? I told if you get same radius and same perpendicular height cylinder, 1/3 of this volume equal to the cone volume. Then 1/3 pi r squared h, cylinder volume multiplied by 1/3, right? That's a cone volume equation. Yeah, this last week lesson I explained all the equations in details. 5 mean 22/7. R squared mean radius 21 into 21. Sorry, 21 into 21 into perpendicular height 30. Now it is 3 to 21 cancel out 7. 7 to 7 again cancel out. Now 22 into 21 into 30. 22 into 22 into 21 into 30. It is 1386 cubic centimeter. Then you can get the total volume. Sorry. Height 3 centimeter. The cone height 3 centimeter. Sorry. Cone height 3 centimeter, not 30. Cone height 3 centimeter. Cone height 3 centimeter. Then 22 into 21 into 3. 22 into 21 into 3. What's the value? 1386. Harne, the answer. Yes. Now you can get the total by adding total volume by adding these two values. Total. What's the total? $42,966 cubic centimeter. I think you already know. If you want, you can convert to cubic meter as well, right? I got in cubic centimeters. If you want, you can convert into cubic meter as well. Meter 6 times kanna. You can get 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 0 point. If you want 0.04296 cubic centimeter. Okay, that's the end of volume tutorial. So it's cubic meter. Not compulsory all converted to cubic meter, but remember this is the cubic meter is the standard unit of volume. Hari. Any doubt? Now you can ask. That's the end of area volume lesson actually. The theory and tutorial complete. The lesson is the tut is completed. Tut is done. Okay, now let's move into 2018 past paper question. Okay, before moving to past paper question, normally past paper questions, they have given lot of long stories. ඒ කියන්නේ දිග paragraph දීලා තියෙනවා and different shapes diagrams are there. But the thing is, don't afraid because if you understood these stories and figures, the questions are very simple. I will show you now, right? Questions are very simple. Let's move into 2018 past paper question. I have prepared separated sheet. I will send in the group. Please check the group. Please check the group. Okay, I have sent a PDF. I have sent a PDF. Sorry, not this one, not this one, sorry. Wrong PDF. sorry. It is for 2027 students. Sorry, wait, give me a second. Now check the group. Okay, it is. I have separated the first question 2015. Make it make a paper can first question 2015 A level question, right? Second question 2016 A level essay question. Third question 2017 A level essay question. Fourth question 2018 A level essay question. Hari. Our first target, complete these 4 papers. After that, I will give you other papers questions, separated one as well. 19, 20, 21, 20. Hame kema, there is area volume essay question, right? I will show you. Okay. Now I'm going to open 2018. Wala fourth question. Question number 4. I'm going to open by past paper, right? I don't have this PDF in the board. (2018). Okay, this is a 2018 past paper. 2018 past paper. This is a 2018 past paper. You can see the first essay question based on area volume lesson. The first essay question. The floor plan of equator hexagon shapes of all fault. That's why I told you the exam question, different shapes, figures, and long stories given. The thing, don't afraid, very simple questions given, right? In the subparts, very simple questions asking, right? The floor plan of a equatorial hexagonal shapes, all fault, is shown in the figure 1. This question number 4, right? It is 2018 in the PDF, question number 4. I found. Akil, will you find? හොයාගත්ත නේද? සෙනුර? හරි. හොයාගන්න බැරි වුණත් මේකෙන් බලන්න. You can understand the question given in the board. Okay. The floor plan of equator hexagon. This is a hexagon. This is a hexagon, right? This is a hexagon. The floor plan of an equator hexagon shapes, all 40 is given in the figure 1. The center of the fort is O and the side length is 60 meters. The side length is 60 meters. 60, 60, 60. It is equal to a hexagon, right? The main entrance of the fort is at the B. Wall is the main entrance of the fort is at the AB wall and the shape of it is depicted in figure 2. The shape of the main entrance figure in the figure 2. This is a figure 2, right? It's an arch shape door entrance, right? Its dimensions given, right? First thing, in the exam essay paper, you have 10-minute additional reading time. That means 3 hours is the time allocation. Exam provide 3 hours and 10 minutes for reading time. Reading time is not separated one. It's you can use answering also, right? However, in the middle of 3 hours, you can use enough time. You have enough time to, you have extra time for reading as well, right? Therefore, the first thing you have to understand this story. Now it's a old fort floor plan is given. It's a equator hexagon with 60 meter length each side. The main entrance is at AB. It is arch shape given in the figure 2. There are 6 similar towers A, B, C, D, E and F corners. That means A, B, C, D each corner of the hexagon, right? And the shapes of the tower is shown in the figure 3. Shape of one tower is given in figure 3. Each corner there is a tower shaped as figure 3, right? Consider, they are very important. If they're giving this type values, you can't use 5 value 22/7 now, because the 5 value is already given in the question. That is very important. If you use 22/7, you are wrong, right? They're giving 5 value equal 3.14, root 26 5.01. Again, කොහෙදි හරි හම්බේ. හරිද? 26 root value. Root 3 value equal 1.73. And if you want sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, tan 30, tan 45, tan 60 values also given. Make question it's not required actually, but they have given if you want, right? They have given. Normally all essay questions provide this data, sin, cos, tan data, area volume questions. Hi. Using the data in the figures, calculate the following. Length of FO. The F to O length is asking. This is a O and this is a F. The FO length is asking. What is the value of FO? What's the value of FO? What's the value of FO? Very good. Very, very good. Now you know it is equal to a hexagon, equal to a hexagon divided into 6 triangles. 6 triangles. This side 60 meters. Now it is. Now what happened? How about this angle? How about this angle, Shivan? How about this angle? 60 degrees, because the total angle 360. 360 divided by 60, it is 60 angle. Now this one and this opposite sides are equal, right? Two sides equal. Then opposite angles also equal. Then you can find it is an equal triangle. Equal triangle. Come the Hagan. Now this angle 60 definitely, because the total 360 divided into 60, it is 60 degree, right? Now x and x same. Now side same. If it is side same, grade 10 mathematics, opposite side angles also equal. Opposite side angles equal. If it is equal, the remain amount is 120. 120 divided by 2, it is 60, 60. Right? 60, 60. Now angles equals mean, angle equals mean each sides equal. Then it is equal triangle. Equal triangles OF equal 60. Understood? OF equal 60. Then this is essay question. Okay, please note down in your book. In your book. 2018 A level essay question 5. 2018 A level essay question 5. Part A 1. Okay, this is a method, this is a way how to answer for essay questions. Question number 5, part A, part 1, right? Part A, part 1. Now the question asks, what is the value of FO? FO equal 60 meters. The reason, equatorial triangle. Equatorial triangle. Nitira, what is the question? I can't understand. Okay. Yeah, equatorial triangle is the reason. Yeah. Yeah. The area of the base of a tower. Simple thing. The area of the base of the tower. කොහෙද tower එක දීලා තියෙන්නේ? What's the figure? What's the figure tower? Yeah. In the figure 3. So FOBAB parallelogram එකක් නිසා AB FOAB equal FOAB equal FO. Yes, correct. Yeah. I told you that one, that way also correct. Yeah, in the figure 3 it is given the base of the tower. The tower is given in the figure 3. The base is given. The diameter of the base 2 meter. Now how about the shape of the base? It's a circle and the diameter 2 meters. Diameter 2. Then what is the radius? Radius equal 1 meter. Now it is circle. Part 2. Base area, tower base area. Tower base area equal 5r squared. It's a circle. With radius 1. Now 5 value is given. You can't use 22/7 now. It's a double question, right? 3.14. It is already given. R squared mean 1 into 1. 3.14 square meters. Okay, that's the way. Minimum hadandon, right? This equation, substitution, and final answer. You can't directly put answer. Directly you can get the answer for MCQ questions, right? They are essay questions too. You have to mention all steps, all relevant steps. The flow area of section ABCF. Okay, find the AB is there. ABCF. Okay, what is the shape of this ABCF? What's the shape of this ABCF? What's the shape of this ABCF? Yeah, it is a trapezium. It's a trapezium. Then ABCF area. It's compulsory. If not, you can't get full answers for maths questions. Maths questions, the advantage of doing maths questions in A-level exam, you can get full marks, not like chemistry questions. Chemistry questions, it is bit different, get full marks. You can 150 marks. If you miss any word, marks loss, right? But not like that. If you're doing well for math questions, you can get full marks, definitely. Maths වල අඩු කරන්න එකක් නෑ. අල වැරදුනොත් තමයි අඩු වෙන්නේ නේද? Okay, what is it? ABCF, no? ABCF area. Now it's a trapezium. How to get trapezium area? A plus B over 2 into H. A plus B mean two parallel sides. It is 60 and it is 2 times 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 60 divide by 2 into perpendicular height. What's the perpendicular distance between? Now that's a problem. You have to calculate the perpendicular height between two parallel sides. Think it is H. Okay, how to find the H now? Any idea? Safa? Yeah, we have two options. We have two options. We can use, it is 60 meters. This one 30 because the midpoint of, give me a second. Yeah, yeah, you have two options. Two options to calculate perpendicular height. The first thing you can get Pythagoras theorem. If not, you can use trigonometry. Both method I will explain after we complete trigonometry lesson. The easy method trigonometry, right? Easy method trigonometry. Now this angle 60. Now this angle 60, right? Now it is right angle triangle, angle 60. Now if you use sine, you know the sine equal opposite over hypotenuse, right? Sine 60 equal opposite over hypotenuse 60. Sine 60 value already given. Sine 60 value root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. H over 60. Now cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. 2h equal 2h equal 60 root 3. 60 root 3 value is already given. Root 3 value is already given. 1.73. Oh, sorry. 1.73. 1.73. Now 2 to 60 cancel 30. 30 into 1.73 is the perpendicular height. Right? That's the one option. 30 into 1.73 mean I think 50 value, right? 50 වගේ එකක්ද බලන්න. Safa 51.9. Yes, 51.9 meters. If not, you can use Pythagoras theorem as well. හරි. ඒක තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් you can use Pythagoras theorem. How to get Pythagoras theorem? How to use Pythagoras theorem? Now it is a right angle triangle. 60 square equal 30 squared plus h squared. 60 squared equal 60 squared equal 30 squared plus h squared. 60 squared 3600. 30 squared 900 in plus h squared. Now h squared equal 900 get into left side, it is 3600 minus 900, 2700 equal h squared. Then the value of h equal 2700 square root. බලන්න එකම එනවාද කියලා. Check answer. Yeah, 51.9. Okay, any method you can use, right? Both methods correct, meter. Both methods correct. Now you can multiply by height. This is h. This is h. 51.9 51.9. The perpendicular height. Now you can get the area of trapezium. 120 plus 60, 180. 180 divided by 2, it is 90. 90 into 51.9. 90 into 51.9. 4,671. 4,671 square meters. Okay, that's the third part. 2018 A-level question. Question number 5, part A, third part answer. Okay. Final part of the part A. The area of the inner flow of the fort. The area of the inner flow of the fort. So I got the area of the diagram by finding the area of one triangle and multiply by 3, Safa. Yeah, you correct. Multiply by 3, no? Because 3 angles. Yeah, multiply by 3, that's correct. No problem. Yeah, that one also good method. Maybe. Yeah, good point. You know, yeah, you can find easily by this method. Yeah, very good. Hashini, I got different answer for what? This trapezium area. What's your perpendicular height? Uh, 9.6. If you use 9.6, yeah, no problem. 9.6, if you use 9.6, it will be changing. Yes. Yeah, in exam, this type changes, no problem. Okay, hurry. Okay, I want to show you. You can use this method as well. Now it is a equal to triangle, right? Equal to triangle. This angle 60. 60. You can get this one triangle area. අපි කොහොමද ගන්නේ one triangle area half AB sin C. AB sin C. Do you remember this equation? Always, now I told in this lesson we have two equations for area of triangle, right? Half into base into height and half AB sin C, right? Half AB sin C mean the sin C mean the particular consider angle 60, sin 60. AB mean always two sides between the angle, two sides between the angle. Half AB mean now it is 60, 60, right? 60, 60. Sin C means sin 60. Sin 60 value already given. Sin 60 root 3 over 2. May I cancel then 30. 60 cancel 30. 3 into 3, 900. Into root 3 value is given here. 1.73. 1.73. To get the total trapezium, we can multiply this value into 3 නේ. බලන්න ඒක වෙනවද කියලා. This one triangle area multiplied by 3, that's the trapezium area, right? Yeah, same answer. බලන්න හදලා බලන්න. Yeah, all methods correct. No in doubt. No in problem. Yeah, same answer, right? Okay. Now the question asks, in the next part, the question asks the area of inner flow of the port. Now you got half part flow area, then multiply trapezium area into 2. It is 9,000 value. 9,000 වගේ එකක් එනවා ඇත්තේ. ඔව් 9,000 ගන්න. Fourth one. Full flow area $9,000 9,352. Yeah, square meter. Okay, very simple, right? Very simple. They are A-level questions. You can use a calculator as well. Then you all can ready for this question, this type exam, right? No worries. Don't think about O-level result. Hurry. Let's move into part B. Let's move into part B. Shivan, what's the meaning of 52?
Sir, 4,671 වලින් multiply කළාම 9,342 නෙමේද?
42 there. Wait. Yeah, 42. I got one of your answer. Yeah, my mistake. Yeah, 42. Square meter. Good. Okay, let's move into part B. Okay, the part B very simple. The door of the main entrance is made of 0.3 meter thick wood. The door thickness is 0.3 meter. This is the door. The figure B given door, its thickness is මෙන්න මෙහෙම thickness එකක් තියෙනවා. Its thickness, I think this is the door thickness. It is 0.3. That means 30 centimeter. 0.3 meters. 0.3 meter is the thickness of the door. The shape of the upper part of the door is semicircular as shown in the figure 2. Yeah, the upper part is semicircular part. Semicircle part. Right? Calculate the area of front surface of the door. The door front surface area is asking. මෙන්න මේ front surface එක. The front surface of the door. This one. The front surface area of the door. Okay, how to get this? Up to this point it is 5 meters height. Then you can get the rectangle area, very simple. Rectangle area plus semicircle area. හරි ඉක්මනට ගන්න. rectangle area 5 into 2, no? 5 into 2, yes. 5 into 2 plus semicircle area. Semicircle area, how to get, what is the equation? Circle 5r squared, then semicircle half circle mean half 5r squared. What's the radius? Radius 1 because diameter 2. Diameter 2, radius 1. Then half 5r squared. The rectangle 10 plus half 5 value is 3.14. It is already given. Radius is squared 1 into 1. 1 into 1. Then you can get 10 plus 1 into 1 mean same value, 3.14 over 2. No, Hashini. 3.14 over 2 because semicircle. Wrong, Hasil. 3.14 over 2 mean 100, sorry, 1.52, right? Yeah, 57, yes. 100, sorry, 1.57. 1 point, not 15.7, Shiva. 1.57, right? 1.57, yes. Then 10 plus 1.57, 11.57. 57 square meter. Square meter. Yeah, that is the door front area. Door front area, very simple. That's the front area of the door. Okay. Okay, let's move into next question. The mass of cubic meter of wood used to make the door is 100 kilogram. 1 cubic meter of the wood of the door equal 100 kilogram. Right? The mass of 1 cubic meter of the door is 100 kilogram. Then calculate the mass of door. Okay, to calculate the mass of door, what is our first requirement? අපි මාස් එක හොයන්න කලින් මොනවද දැනගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ? What you need to calculate? Senua. The volume of the door, yes. The wood volume of the door. Now it is which type object? Uniform cross-section object or non-uniform cross-section object? It's a uniform or not? Yeah, definitely it is uniform because the thickness is the 0.3. Then cross-section area multiplied by thickness, you can get the volume. Very simple. If you know this basic concept, exam is not very challenging, right? Very simple. The other thing, you have only 3 subjects now, right? But we can't compare 9 subjects in O level and 3 subjects in A level. It's totally different. O level 10 පාරක් කරනවා වගේ the subjects are bulk, but you have to ready only for 3 subjects. The number is 3, but subject is more bulk, not like O level. You all can, if you want, you can work for island first as well. If you got, if you need what stuck. Okay. If you want a good island rank, the thing is you have to score more than 94 each subject. If you got more than 90 for SFT, ET or BST and your third subject, definitely you within first island tree. First or second or third. Okay, first you can get the volume of dough. Part B, part 2. The volume of dough volume. Okay, now it is uniform cross section object. The front surface area multiplied by thickness. Okay, what is our area after 11.57 square meter into thickness 0.3 meter is the volume. It is 34,710 cubic meter, right? Am I correct? Am I correct? Hashini? Correct? No. Then multiply. Harid? No, no. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, decimal point. 3.471. Yeah. 3.471. Okay. Okay. Now 3.471 is the cubic meter volume. Now, you know 1 cubic meter equal 100 kilograms. The mass of the dough, three point one cubic meter 100 kilogram, then 3.471 multiplied by 100, it is 347.1 kilogram. This is the mass of the dough. Any doubt? I multiplied 3 into this value. I forgot decimal point. Yeah, 3.471. 3.471 multiplied by 100, because 1 cubic meter equal 100 kilogram it is given. Okay, any doubt? Meedu? Understood? Akil? Shivan? Savindya? Sweta? Clear? Hari. Let's move into final part. C. Oh, sorry. Okay, now 9 p.m. I will take another 10 minutes, right? No class again. Class 9 ida. And I made a class 9. if the tower given in figure 3 consists of a cylindrical part and right circular cone. Yeah. Calculate the surface area of tower excluding base. Excluding mean with or without. Not including, excluding, without, right? Excluding. Excluding the base. The surface area of tower is asking. Okay, the surface area, yeah, this is a tower. It's a cylindrical surface and cone. Right circular cone. Okay. Now the problem is it's only curved surface, cylindrical curved surface and cone curved surface. And add. The problem is what's the cylinder curved surface area equation? 2 phi r h. Very good. 2 phi r h, 2 into 5 into radius into h. Everything no. What's the cone curved surface area equation? Cone curved surface equation. Amishka, what's the curved surface of cone equation? Surface area. Phi r L, very good. Phi r L is the surface area equation. L means slant height. L means slant height. The perpendicular height is given. It is 5 meters. 5 meter. It is perpendicular height, but the slant height is not given. Okay, the first thing you have to calculate the slant height. First you have to get slant height. Now it is right angle triangle, right? Now it is right angle triangle. You can use Pythagoras theorem. You can use Pythagoras theorem. NRPL hoemo. Question part C. Let's calculate the slant height. Okay, this is the shape of right angle triangle now. It is 5 meter and this part is 5 meter. This part is 1 meter and this is slant height. Slant height. Then use Pythagoras theorem. L equal L squared equal 5 squared plus 1 squared. 5 squared 25. 1 squared 1. It is L squared. L equal 25 plus 1 is 26. 26 square root. Yeah, 26 square root is already given in the question. No, Shivan. 26 square root එක දීලා තියෙන්නේ මේ. මම කියවනේ කොහේ හරි අම්බේ කියලා. Yeah, 26 5.01. You can't use another values. 5.01. Understood, Shivan? Meters. Right. Now you can get the cylinder curved surface. Cylinder curved surface area equal 2 phi r h. That's the equation, right? 2 into 5 means 3.14. Radius 1. Radius 1 because diameter 2. Radius 1. Height. Cylinder height 10. 10. 31.4 into 2. 62.8 square meters. 62.8 square meters. Square meters. Right? Now you can get the cone curved surface area. Cone curved surface area. concurved surface area. What's the equation? Concurved surface area. Concurved surface area equal phi RL. Phi RL, phi mean 3.14, radius 1, L 5.01. Length I got 5.01. 15.7. Yeah, 15.7 square meter. Now you can get the total area excluding base. You don't need to consider base. Yeah, that's the total surface area. What's the value? Total 15.7 plus 62.8. 78.5. The total area equal 78.5 square meter. Let's move into the final part. Part D. Part D. Obtain the tangent value of angle of elevation. Tan value is asking. It is from trigonometry, but I will explain. It is very simple. Tangent value asking this. Tan. I think you know tan equal opposite over adjacent, right? Opposite over adjacent. Obtain the tangent value of angle of elevation to the top of the tower located at the positions F as seen by a child at the position O, whose eye level 1 meter above the ground. ළමෙක් ඉන්නවලු at the O point. A child is stand at the O point. Think this is O point. Think this is a O point. Right? This is a O point and this is a child. This child. And this is a tower. This is a tower. Top of the tower. And this is the child height. Child height. And this is the top of the tower. Top of the tower. Top of the tower. Normally the tower is like this, right? The tower is a cylinder and cone like this. This is a tower. Normally, what is the total height of, oh my god, what's the total height of tower? What's the total height of tower? 15 meters. Yeah, up to this level, because the child height 1 meter, then up to this level, it is 14 meters. No, because it is 1 meter. Now, what is this length? This is the F point. This is the F point. The tower is starting from F. The question asks, now we have to get what is the length from this O to this midpoint of the tower, because the midpoint up to O to F 60 meters. And what is the radius? The radius of the tower 1 meter. Then it is 61 meter. You know tangent angle mean this is a theta opposite over adjacent. The adjacent side 61, the opposite side 14. Then tan theta equal 14 over 61. Trigonometry karama, after we complete the trigonometry lesson, you can get full idea how to get tan inverse values as well. Up to now, that enough. If you want, we can isolate theta using tan inverse method. I will explain that in the trigonometry. Okay. That's the end of area volume lesson. Now you have homework. The homework is complete question number 1, that means 2015 question, 2016 question, and 2017 question. 2018 question already discussed. Right? That is your homework of this week. 2015 question in the PDF, question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. I will explain everything next week. I will explain all past paper questions, and I will explain another 2021 question as well next Sunday. After that, you have exam. It is only 1.5 hour exam, simple exam. I will inform what is the exact date of exam next Sunday. Next Sunday, I will inform what is the exact date for exam. For next Sunday, you have to complete homework, question number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, if you have any doubt, now you can ask. Everything clear? Akhil? Rashmita? Everything clear? Okay, then let's meet on next Sunday, usual time. Make sure to complete homework, question number 1, 2, and 3, right? In the PDF. 2015, 16, 17 essay questions. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can keep space. You can hadagan bernang space tiada itu tika hada. Right? I will explain next day. Yeah, if you have any doubt, you can send me. You can text me to WhatsApp, and if you have any doubt, contact me. Right? Send me WhatsApp message. Okay. Goodbye. New students, you can get tute of measurement and area volume both. I'll send tute. Send me message. Right? Okay. Goodbye. Good night.